If you were ever curious about just how intelligent octopuses actually are, then you are in the right place. These creatures' intellect will fascinate and even probably terrify you. Octopuses are argued as the most intelligent beings on the planet, ahead of humans. This smart, bizarre cephalopods embody everything creepy and mysterious about the sea. Their otherworldly forms and unfurling tentacles have served as inspiration for various depictions in popular culture, from Disney's Sea Witch Ursula to Spider-Man's foe Dr. Octopus, not to mention the many octopus-themed horror films. Their intelligence stems from a completely unrelated path to human intelligence, and their anatomy and abilities will completely awestruck you. Octopuses have 3 hearts. 2 of these hearts are dedicated solely to pumping blood past their gills, facilitating the exchange of carbon dioxide for oxygen. The 3rd heart then distributes this oxygen-rich blood to the organs and muscles, providing them with energy.
Interestingly, this third heart temporarily ceases beating when the octopus swims, which may explain why these creatures prefer crawling to swimming, a mode of locomotion that can be less exhausting for them. Furthermore, octopus arms exhibit a remarkable degree of autonomy. Alongside their 8 arms, octopuses possess 9 brains, 1 central brain and 8 smaller ones, each located in a limb. In fact, 2/3 of an octopus's neurons are found in its tentacles. This unique neural arrangement enables the arms to independently taste, touch, and even perform actions without direct input from the central brain. Some studies have even revealed that severed octopus arms retain the ability to grasp food and attempt to direct it toward where creature's mouth used to be, showcasing the residual autonomy of these appendages. They exhibit impressive speed and agility. While octopuses are typically slow movers when crawling, they possess the remarkable ability to swim at speeds 4 times faster than the fastest human. In moments requiring rapid movement, such as during an attack or a quick escape, they employ jet propulsion, propelling themselves through the water at speeds reaching up to 25 miles per hour. However, their agility is not limited to aquatic locomotion. With a body structure with no bones and composed of approximately 90% muscle, octopuses demonstrate exceptional flexibility. Octopuses can squeeze their bodies through the slimmest cracks and smallest holes with ease. They also demonstrate tool use. Contrary to previous beliefs that only vertebrates possess the intelligence required for tool usage, octopuses have proven themselves adept at employing objects from their surroundings as tools. Notably, certain octopus species have been observed collecting and utilizing 2 halves of a coconut shell, carrying them like portable shelters and assembling them as needed. This resourcefulness extends to captivity, where octopuses frequently engage in problem-solving activities such as puzzle solving, jar opening, and navigating obstacle courses. Additionally, some octopuses exhibit cunning behavior, finding creative methods to escape from their enclosures. In a fascinating display of adaptation, certain species even wield the tentacles of deadly jellyfish as weapons. Octopuses also do not have a blind spot. To protect themselves from predators, an octopus can see 360 degrees around themselves. Their optic nerve fibers are strategically positioned behind the retina, enabling comprehensive vision without any blind spots. The rectangular pupils of octopuses further enhance their visual acuity, facilitating sight in all directions while affording them control over the amount of incoming light. This panoramic vision proves invaluable during nocturnal hunting expeditions, allowing octopuses to remain vigilant for both prey and predators simultaneously. They can also recognize individual human faces. A research study on giant Pacific octopuses, GPO, at the Seattle Aquarium showed that their behavior, breathing, and colors changed depending on whose face they recognized. 8 different GPOs were treated either by a nice keeper who gave them food or by a designated mean keeper who poked them with a bristly stick. After just 2 weeks of this, the octopuses would approach the nice keeper but hid away when the mean keeper came around. They have some cool defensive tricks up their many sleeves. Imagine you're an octopus under attack. If your camouflage skills aren't deceiving the predator, you might resort to a clever tactic, detaching one of your arms and allowing it to crawl away independently, serving as a decoy to distract the predator. Octopuses can actually do this, and, as you know, they have an impressive regenerative process that kicks in and allows them to develop a new one. They're also really good at it. When lizards regrow their tails, for example, the new one is often inferior. With octopuses, a regrown limb is basically as good as new. Octopuses can also use their ink as a defense. The ink doesn't just hide the animal, it also physically harms enemies. It contains a compound called tyrosinase, which in humans helps to control the production of the natural pigment melanin. But when sprayed in a predator's eyes, tyrosinase causes irritation. It also garbles creatures' senses of smell and taste. They can camouflage faster than you can blink. Yup, in 1/5 of a second to be exact. They can change their color, pattern, shape, and texture to blend in with their surroundings, protecting them from predators and helping them sneak up on prey. This is possible because of thousands of chromatophores, skin cells full of pigment that can change colors. This camouflage is so expertly done that predators can swim right by without noticing the creature at all. Octopuses have blue blood. Adapted to thrive in the inhospitable depths of the ocean, octopuses possess blood fueled by hemocyanin, a copper-containing protein distinct from the iron-based hemoglobin found in human blood. Unlike the red hue of oxygenated human blood, the presence of copper imparts a blue coloration to octopus blood. Hemocyanin, being a larger protein, transports oxygen more efficiently in the extreme environments inhabited by octopuses. At the bottom of the ocean, water temperatures are very low and there isn't much oxygen around. Did you know that after mating, it's game over for octopuses? Mating and parenthood are brief affairs for octopuses, which die shortly after. The species practices external fertilization. A male inserts his spermatophores directly into the female's mantle cavity using a special, longer arm. Afterward, the male's sex arm falls off and the animal dies. As for the females, they can lay up to 400,000 eggs, which they obsessively guard and tend to. To prioritize their motherly duties, females stop eating. By the time their eggs hatch, female octopuses are either dying or dead. Their optic glands rapidly produce self-destructive chemicals, causing a rapid change in cholesterol metabolism and ultimately killing them. Some captive octopus mothers have been known to intentionally speed up their own deaths by mutilating themselves. They can be deadly. All octopuses, regardless of species, are carnivorous and venomous creatures. Notably, Australia's blue-ringed octopus ranks among the world's most venomous marine animals. Despite its modest size of 5–8 inches, this octopus harbors sufficient venom to dispatch 26 adult humans within minutes, owing to the presence of tetrodotoxin, a potent venom that surpasses cyanide in toxicity by 1,200 times. They sometimes build underwater cities. In 2017, scientists stumbled upon a remarkable discovery, an underwater enclave inhabited by octopuses dubbed Octalantis off the eastern coast of Australia. This underwater city was home to a species known as the gloomy octopus, previously believed to be solitary creatures. Within this bustling metropolis resided a population of 15 octopuses engaging in complex social interactions, communication, and even territorial disputes resulting in evictions from dens. This finding marked the second such discovery in the region, following the unearthing of Octopuses in 2009, underscoring the intricacies of octopus social dynamics.